Hello, awesome resellers. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about pricing, and something that I've been posting on Instagram was how I don't like to take low balls and I block people that are offering me low prices and things like that. So I want to explain a little bit of why I say those things. So I only price very high on items that I feel that are kind of rare, hard to find. A blogger blogged about it, and not a lot of sellers are selling it. So I don't want you to think that I'm saying if you have a Banana Republic sweater and you want to sell it for $40 and somebody offers you $30 or $20 for a Banana Republic sweater, that you should block them, you should not counter, things like that. I'm only saying I do that when it's a rare, hard to find blogger's favorite with not a lot of sellers on it. So I really want to clarify this because I don't want a bunch of resellers not countering on offers that are pretty reasonable, because everybody knows that White House black market is not the same as Chanel, and lose on a potential sale. Because also another thing that you guys know is that I do this as a part-time hustle, and this is not my income. My husband pays for the mortgage. This is like my side part-time hustle. So I want to give you more examples when I price higher, and what my strategy for pricing kind of is say if I buy something for $5, I want to probably get like 3 times the amount that I paid for it minus fees. So let me just share a little bit of things that I did price higher and I was able to get a very good return on investment because it was on trend. 1, it was on trend. 2, it was not a lot of sellers on it. 3, it was completely sold out in the stores. And 4, like multiple bloggers, fashion bloggers sold these items, and these multiple bloggers, when I tell you follow those fashion bloggers, I don't mean somebody that has like 10,000 followers. I'm talking about like over 200,000 followers. Those are like blogger influencers, where everybody who's like me, which has like 15,000 followers, we're like micro influencers. So when you see me wear a Zara sweater, don't go running out buying that, because I'm probably not going to impact the market to like get it sold out like these other people that have like 200,000 following and they look like Kim Kardashian and everybody wants to look like them. Okay, so I'm talking about bigger fashion bloggers. So let me give you an example. So I sold this on different sites, and this item was like $30, $39.90, and right now if you check on the website, they have one that's white and black, but they don't have the red one. And I think there was like 10 bloggers that blogged about it, and it was sold out in stores. And right now the fanny pack market is kind of dying down, but it's still going. So you're still okay with something like that. But in the height of the fanny pack special market, like it was selling a lot faster. So once I buy like 5 of these, and I make my profit on 3 or 4 of them, the rest of them I'll just sell as fast as I can just to get out of the store. Another one that I'm giving you example are these shoes. These are the flats, and they have like these crystal designs. And what happened was, these are very readable, available, size 6 and size 6.5. But where I made the most bang for the buck was when I had size 9 and size 10. And basically what I did was I would wait on the website, and every time a 9 and 10 would pop up, which was really, really hard to find and really rare, I would buy out everything. And so these, I bought them for like at least $50 to $70, and then I sold them for anywhere from $150 to $200. And these are they were not bloggers' favorite, but I just knew in my intuition that that was gonna be a very popular seller. And like I asked my friends about him and they didn't like it. So I want you to also be able to trust your own gut. If you do not have good eyes for fashion, then don't trust your gut. Ask the friend that always gets a lot of compliments, like, what do you think about that? If you do have a good eye for fashion and most of your designers sell really well, then you don't always have to ask everybody. You can sometimes trust your own intuition. So this is another sweater that I sold a lot of. This is H&M. H&M does not have a high return on investment value, but the blogger that blogged it, she has a very huge following, and right when she blogged it, within like 10 minutes it was completely sold out. So right after that happened, that's when I went to the H&M store and bought like 3 of them, and this is the last one, which I probably want to keep for myself. A lot of the Chanel inspired kind of styles and blazers and shoes like this, they also are something that you could sell a little bit higher than normal in terms of pricing, but you still do have to wait for the right buyer. A lot of Zara shoppers and, you know, blogger favorite people, they know what the original price is, and you're gonna get a lot of hate because they know the original price and you're increasing the price, and they're gonna say, well, I could get that for $9.99. Well, go ahead and get that for $9.99, because guess what? It's sold out. That's why we could price it higher. But anything kind of inspired by a designer also has really good resale value, and those are the things I could like block them if they're lowballing me, or I could just counter. I don't have to counter because I know somebody will one day just buy it full price outright. Zara, I had this leather camel Zara boots, and everybody, I sold it for $180. Everybody was offering me $40, $50, and I just did not respond. I did not do anything. And after like 8 months, somebody bought it full price. So things like that is what I'm saying, okay, I don't have to counter, I can block. If I had J. Crew, Banana Republic, Ann Taylor, and even Zara that was not favorite bloggers, everybody wants it, it's on trend, I will counter, I will sell for low, and I will get rid of it in my closet for a low price. So I don't want you to think I'm like this stuck up person saying, oh yeah, I just don't take any offers. I do. It's just when I know it's rare and hard and I know I could get a big return on my investment, I can keep it higher. So another one that I want to share is like something like this. So people love these like sparkly kind of styles, and I also saw a fashion blogger who blogged about it, and she wore them, and a lot of people wanted these. So like something like this where you buy them for $9.99, you could sell them for like $75, and you want to go size 10 and up, then you could do something like that. And if you look at the common thread, most of them are new with tag. Most of them are all sold out at the store. Most of them are bloggers that blogged about it with over 200,000 following or more. And the sellers on the sites, like right now, I'm the only seller that has this. I think I'm the only seller that has this. I'm the only seller that has this one. This one, the red one, there's like 10 sellers on it on eBay, and they all priced it high on Poshmark. And then this one, I'm the only seller that has size 8 and size 8. The rest of the sellers, everybody has size 6 and size 6.5. So I cannot get $200 for size 6 and 6.5. You probably get it for $80. I sold one recently for $120, and that's because other people have it, but mine was blue and everybody had the other color. So just to let you know is I always just price high with most of my items in general, because you know consistently most people will give you lowball offers. And also when somebody on Poshmark gives you a lowball offer, or when they have closet clear out, you could already know, like if you price something at $80 and you know that nobody's gonna buy it except for if it's $40, you could give free shipping plus $50 sale price, so that you could get like around the $40 that you want. So you have this all in your mind ahead of time, so that you could get ready for closet clear out, you could get ready for price drops, you could get ready for sales, and you could get ready for like when everybody starts selling it, because everybody knows it's the hot item for now. So I hope this helps somebody. I want just to clarify how I said in my Instagram post, like, I don't take low offers, I block low ballers. Like, I don't mean for everything. I'm talking about just for the items I know I can get a lot for. So if somebody's gonna offer me $15 for a Banana Republic sweater that I had on sale for over a year, and I got it at the bins for 50 cents. Trust me, I'm gonna take that. But if it's something like this rare slipper and somebody's offered me $40 because it was on the market for $40, guess what? I'm not even gonna respond, because I know somebody will pay straight out full price. I just have to wait for the right customer. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any friends or family that are interested in the side hustle, wants to make some money, share this video with them, because I really want to share how to do this. And I also, in my Instagram stories, post about food and nutrition and mental health awareness and all of that. Thank you. Have a good time. Bye.